Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, красный и зеленый, считай со мной. Часть первая, страница 15, 16, 17. English, Starlight 3, red and green, count with me. Homework, part number 1, page number 15, 16, 17. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 15. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and answer the questions. Прочтите историю еще раз и ответьте на вопросы. Where do the old man and his sons live? What are the names of the three brothers? What do the two older brothers like doing? What does the younger brother like doing? What do they call Ivanushka? What kind of person is Ivanushka? The answer. The old man and his sons live in a small village on a farm. The names of the three brothers are Andrei, Sergei, and Ivanushka. The two older brothers like wearing nice clothes. The younger brother likes to go into the forest and collect mushrooms. They call Ivanushka silly boy. Ivanushka is a kind young man with a big heart. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Let's sing. Давайте споем. Иванушка, he's poor and young. He's just a farmer's son. People say that he's dumb, but he's kind to everyone. A heart that is golden and true. A heart that is shiny and new. Good and kind and loving too. A heart that is golden and true. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 16. Lesson number 7. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Прочтите слова предложения сначала про себя, а затем вслух. Red, 10. Spell, 7. Welcome, yellow, Emma. Welcome, Emma. Can you spell? Spell yellow, spell red. She, me, see, 3, meet. street, green, Schiene. Meet Schiene and me at 3, under the tree in Green Street. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Match the words to Emma, and Lee. Who's got the most words? Сопоставьте слова с Эммой, и Ли, У кого больше всего слов? Green, 10. He, red. Spell, see, meet, she. The answer. Emma, 10, red, spell. Lee, green, he, see, meet, she. Lee's got the most words. My dear friends, do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давайте петь. Red and green, count with me. How many trees can you see? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 17. 17. Exercise number 1. Look and complete. Checkpoint. Запиши номера. The answer. 5, 9, 3, 8. 4, 1, 7. My dear friends, do exercise number 2. Read and color. Look, read and say yes or no. Посмотрите, прочитайте и скажите да или нет. Number 1 is red. Number 2 is black. Number 3 is blue. Number 4 is yellow. Number 5 is orange. Number 6 is purple. Number 7 is green. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read and choose A or B. Прочтите и выберите A или B. Hello, I'm Lee. What's your name? Who's that? How old are you? That's Alvin. I'm 10. Now I can introduce myself and greet others. Count from 1 to 10. Say the colors in English. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.